Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to listen to Outlook messages using the built-in text-to-speech feature. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your emails and folders. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials if you haven't already. Wait a moment while your inbox loads completely so you can see all your messages and folders. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to access the message you want to listen to. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is where you'll find all your incoming messages organized by date. From here, look for the specific email that you wish to listen to. Once you've located it, double-click on it to open the full email view. This action opens the complete email interface where you can access all the available tools and options for that message. After your email opens, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are located. This toolbar contains various features that help you manage and interact with your emails. Among these options, you'll see a feature called Immersive Reader. Click on this Immersive Reader option and a new window will appear on your screen. This window is specifically designed to provide a cleaner, more focused reading experience and includes the text-to-speech functionality you're looking for. Once the Immersive Reader window opens, you'll see the content of your email displayed in a simplified, easy-to-read format. All the text from your message will be clearly visible without any distractions. To actually listen to your Outlook message, simply look at the bottom part of this window where you'll find the playback controls. Click on the play button located there and the system will immediately start narrating your email content out loud. The text-to-speech feature will read through your entire message, allowing you to listen hands-free while you multitask or simply prefer audio over reading. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Outlook's text-to-speech feature and can now listen to any of your messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.